Hello, ladies and gentlemen, RapidChess here. So I was looking for something different today. Wanted to check some best moves, but I came across actually this endgame study, which looks totally similar to the one I published just 1 or 2 videos ago. But this is, I think, a little bit cooler. So what's going on here? White is trying to win, and black is they can claim that they're not worse here, but if white doesn't find a good move, so king cannot capture this pawn, and black can play basically e4 and then take control of the h file h8, and then it's going to be a draw. But it's white turn to move. So how would you play here? So actually, the idea is to play bishop to a7. So if black takes, then white plays h7, h8, and you're not in time to return. Yeah, because white queens. So let's try. So black has to leave the bishop on this diagonal. So they start with bishop to a1. White plays king to b1, bishop to c2, and important to play king to c2, kind of going closer to this e4 square. So black plays bishop to a1, and beautiful move here played by white. It's bishop to d4. So it's kind of blockading this diagonal, because if black plays, then the winning move is of course king to d3. Now this idea with e4 is not working out because we capture uh, the bishop, and if bishop to a1, then king to e4, and the pawn is blocked, so this king cannot stop the pawn from queening. But it's important that before we are not able to play bishop d4 first, yeah, because it's actually loses, yeah, just not enough. So with this maneuver king b1, king c2, we kind of should get king closer first and then sacrifice our bishop. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.